Hi, I'm Sean Bowman, Product Manager at Pepperl+Fuchs. And today what I am featuring is our new metal face inductive surface mount pile driver. And in particular, I will be demonstrating the abrasion resistance of the new metal face F76M versus a similar mounting style plastic face inductive sensor. So what I'll be doing is taking a palm sander to demonstrate the abrasion to each sensor. And very quickly, if you notice, you can already start to see the coils being exposed on the plastic face sensor, while the metal face sensor still has full functionality. And we also ran a similar test using wire brushes on the former existing F104 family, where the plastic face, it cleanly ate through and damaged the sensor beyond use. Meanwhile, the metal face sensor is still completely usable. And that was a quick abrasion demonstration of the all-new F76 metal face inductive sensor versus a competitive plastic face sensor. Thanks a lot for watching our video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.